To appreciate His beautiful creation, God gave us the gift of eyes. Our aim is to ensure that His will is taken care of. Amritsar is the place divinity chose to live. It is the land of positive, vibrant energy. Amritsar International Airport has air connections with the world. A short drive away is Dr. Parkash Eye Institute. Book an instant appointment and take a trip to Amritsar, the holy pool of nectar, for the last word on eye treatment. The Torchbearer Institute of Vision. Dr. Parkash Eye Institute has an ever-smiling, hospitable staff which makes you instantly feel at home. These angels of joy are sensitive to your needs. In addition, you could save a fortune you would otherwise spend on your eye treatment. A staff escort is always there to usher each patient around the institute. The most comfortable and relaxing atmosphere while waiting for the appropriate testing of the eye makes your stay in the institute satisfying. You are first checked in the optometry department, where highly qualified optometrists do the detailed preliminary checkups. Here, your initial diagnosis is made and you are referred to our super specialists. The counselors are there to educate you about your problem.
I have just come from Vancouver and I visited some hospitals in Vancouver as well as in Toronto. But the working of this hospital is so beautiful that the relationship between the doctor and the patient is very, very good.
Cataract. The Cataract unit is one of the best of its kind in the world. Dr. Rohit Om Prakash is one of the few surgeons in the world who has to his credit the honor of crossing the landmark 20,000 phaco surgeries.
India is a growing hub for medical tourism. The Indian ophthalmologists around the world are the cynosure of all eyes. We at Dr. Parkash Eye Institute strive for the best. The moment the technology becomes available anywhere in the world, it becomes simultaneously available to us.
Dr. Rohit Om Prakash is invited internationally to teach cataract surgery to different eye surgeons around the world. The state-of-the-art phaco machine, Infinity, is the most advanced equipment in the world to remove cataract. This jewel has raised the bar in cataract surgery. No injection, no stitch, no pad cataract surgery with intraocular lens implantation has given instant vision to the patients.
I came here for my cataract surgery to Dr. Rohit Om Prakash, as we had heard a lot about him, and I had all my apprehensions and fears before the surgery. He had some magic hands and he has some divine grace in his hands which made me feel so comfortable, so good, and I'm so grateful to him.
Live surgical telecasting is shown to the patients.
My wife is getting operated for the cataract surgery. I'm here in the waiting hall watching the surgery in the TV screen. It It is as if I'm part of the surgery. Such a beautiful close-up views, and you can see the instruments carrying out the surgery. It's so nice and easy it looks, as if it is some kind of an artwork.
LASIK laser. For the last 22 years, the Institute has performed thousands of refractive surgeries for the removal of specs. The refractive surgery unit has upgraded and kept pace with the latest.
In this hospital, the most important thing is the ever-ending desire to improve and do the best.
NAVEX platform laser has FDA approval for the treatment of widest range of spectacle number. We take the maximum care to establish the best results. We have all the gadgets which are recommended by FDA to safeguard the eye. The cost of the exclusive eye treatment by Dr. Parkash Eye Institute is 5 to 10 times cheaper than in Europe, the United Kingdom, North America, Australia and the Middle East.
I met Dr. Parkash at an Indian health exhibition in London in June. I had previously had tests with various companies in England for a laser operation, but I didn't feel quite as confident as when I met Dr. Parkash. He just exudes confidence, and I had a discussion with him, and I decided there and then that I would make the journey to India to have the operation done in India rather than anywhere else. From the moment I arrived at the airport, I was collected promptly. People who collected me were very nice, polite. I stayed in a lovely hotel. The treatment and the tests I've had here are second to none. I came up for my first series of tests, which were most comprehensive. All the staff were extremely friendly, obliging. The following evening I came in and I had my surgery, which was something and nothing. No need to be frightened. Dr. Hannah created miracles. The next morning I woke up and I could actually read a text on my phone, a thing I could never have done before. I'm absolutely delighted with the operation that Dr. Hannah has performed on my eyes. My aftercare has been excellent. I would recommend anybody to definitely travel to India to meet Dr. Parkash and have laser surgery, and hopefully you will be as successful as I have.
Here, we strongly believe any patient who gets the procedure done should have the highest level of safety measure to prevent any infection. Wherever possible, we prefer to use disposable instruments to achieve the highest standards of hygiene. The Institute has gone that extra mile to adhere to the highest class of sterilization procedures. Comfortable stays in luxurious hotels or personalized guest houses make the stay pleasant. As a bonus, you could end up having a lifetime experience of visiting one of the top 10 visited places in the world. Dr. Parkash Eye Institute is the ultimate destination for your eyes. Let us make you see well. Let there be a dawn again in your life. Let the vision not limit your abilities. See well to appreciate His creations. Remember, your eyes are precious to us.